So if you're an aspiring YouTuber and you have been curious to know what niches are the most profitable niches on the YouTube space, then this particular video right here is for you. So I took out my time to run a research and I came up with a compilation of lists of the most profitable niches you can find on YouTube, their CPMs and their RPMs respectively. So I want you not to skip any part of this video because I'm going to be giving you my 3 best most profitable niches at the end of this video that can actually blow you up within the shortest possible time. And I'm also going to be giving you the factors that determine how much money you make irrespective of your CPMs and your RPMs. So just in case you see me looking down, I have a compilation of the list because I do not want to make any mistakes. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So number 1 on my list is the make money online niche. This has a CPM of $13.52 and an RPM of $6 to $13. All right. So the down part of the make money online niche is that they have lots of misleading videos on this particular niche. So it is advisable that when you want to watch videos relating to this kind of content, then it is advisable that you watch videos from reputable channels, learn from them, and I hope that helps, right? Now, for those who don't know what CPM and RPM means, CPM is the amount of money that advertisers pay for your video or for the ads that they run on your video, while RPM is what YouTube pays you, or the amount of money that a YouTuber or a creator earns for every 1,000 views. And number 2 on my list is the finance and investment niche. This niche has a CPM of $20 to $50. Wow. And an RPM of $12 to $29, guys. So as you can see, funny enough, like I said, I was going to tell you guys the factors that actually determine how much money you make irrespective of the RPMs and the CPMs of every videos, right? So before we continue, let me quickly tell you the factors that determine how much money you make on your videos that you upload on YouTube, irrespective of your CPMs and your RPMs. So number 1 factor that is responsible for what you earn on YouTube is the countries from which people are watching your videos from. So let's take, for instance, you have more people watching your videos from the US, UK, and Canada. You will actually earn more or higher on such videos compared to when you have more people watching your videos from African countries like Nigeria, India, Ghana, and Rwanda, right? And number 2 factor is the length of your video. If you're having a longer video, then there's every possibility that you will have more ads in that video as opposed to when you have a short video which you have opportunity to take just fewer ads. All right. And the 3rd factor that determines how much money you make on the YouTube space is the age of the people that are watching your videos. So if you have more older people watching your videos, you actually earn more on that video as opposed to when you younger people are watching those videos, because it's actually believed that older people make more money than younger people. So with that being said, let's continue on the niches, RPMs, and their CPMs. Next on my list is the lifestyle and luxury niche. Now, this niche has a CPM of $10 to $25 and an RPM of $5 to $12. The lifestyle content can actually vary between individuals. Now, you can compare the lifestyle content of travels, vlogs, and all that. Number 3 on my list is the gaming and vlog niche. It has a CPM of $5 to $10 and an RPM of $2 to $6. While number 4 on my list is the travel and adventure niche. This niche has a CPM of $8 to $15 and an RPM of $3 to $7. And number 5 on my list is the health and wellness niche. So guys, this niche has a CPM of $8 to $20 and an RPM of $4 to $10. Number 6 on my list is the personal development niche. This niche has a CPM of $8 to $20 and an RPM of $4 to $10. And number 7 on my list is the tech and gadgets niche. This niche has a CPM of $12 to $28 and an RPM of $6 to $15. So the next niche I have here is the digital marketing niche or channel. So this particular channel or niche has an RPM of $10 to $22, and the next is YouTube growth channels. All right, and this has an RPM of $4 to $18. Now it can actually vary depending on where they are watching your videos from, the location of your video, the age, and every other factors like I listed that contributes to how much money you earn. All right, so the last but not the least on my list, guys, is the coding tutorial and software niche. Guys, this niche actually has a CPM of $40 to $100 and a whooping RPM of $30 to $50. Guys, this is actually high, or I'll say it's the highest I've seen so far, and sometimes it can actually range or be higher. It's probably because not everyone can actually function in this particular niche. All right, so that is what I think, and that is why it is here. Okay, so like I said, I was going to give you guys a bonus tip. So my best 3 most profitable niches are number one, the tech and gadgets niche. It is highly profitable. And the second is the AI and automation niche. Guys, this niche is actually very lucrative, and it is growing rapidly fast. Like, if you delve into, or you're able to delve into this particular niche right now, I promise you that within the shortest possible time, you are going to experience dramatic growth on your channels. All right. And lastly is the faceless content channels. So these channels are actually growing rapidly right now on YouTube, and you can actually create videos without having to show your face. All right. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you get to see more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my very next video. For now, peace out.